Hello students, today I will explain you exercise 6.5. This full exercise is based on right angle triangle. Okay, you know what is right angle triangle? A right angle triangle, a triangle having any one angle of 90 degrees is called a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is your right angle triangle I have drawn. This triangle is right angle at point B. Okay, this you have to keep in mind. This is right angle at B. If in question it is given right angle triangle is right angle at point C, that means at 90 degree you will mark C. It depends on question. Now first of all, try to understand this. This part is called base. BC is your base, AB is your perpendicular, and AC is your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of any right angle triangle. Okay, and it is always opposite to the 90 degree. It is always opposite to the 90 degree. The side opposite to the 90 degree is called hypotenuse. This standing line is called perpendicular. This is the height of a triangle, and this part is called base. Okay, so here I have written three formulas, that is called Pythagoras formula. Suppose if any value is missing, any side is missing here, so how you will find side? Okay, if it base is missing, hypotenuse is missing, perpendicular is missing, how you will find? You will find on the basis of these three formulas. Now what is formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, and this formula can also be written as, when you shift this 2, this will take a symbol of root, square root. So hypotenuse is equal to under root p square plus b square. Same way, base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, and perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. This is your three formulas. Now I will explain you three questions on the basis of these three formulas. Suppose I have taken one right angle triangle. You can mark anything. For example, here I am taking 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and this is missing. This you have to find. So how you will find this? First of all, you must know which side is this. This AC. AC is hypotenuse. So here you will use formula of hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse square is equal to, what is your perpendicular? AB. What is AB? 4 centimeter. So you will write 4 square. What is your B? Base. BC 3 centimeter. So 3 square. Now 4 4 is 16 and 3 3 is 9. So hypotenuse square is equal to 25. So what you will do in final step? Final step I am writing here. Hypotenuse square. Can you convert this 25 into square form? Yes. 5 5 is 25, so I can write 5 square. Okay. So square to square, you can understand like this. Square to square is reduced. Now what is remaining? H is equal to 5. So what is your hypotenuse? Your hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. Let's take another example. Again I am drawing here one right angle triangle. Okay, suppose this is 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. Now what is missing? This is missing. What is this called? This AB is your perpendicular. So here you will use the formula of perpendicular. What is formula of perpendicular? Perpendicular is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. So perpendicular square is equal to, what is your hypotenuse? AC 5 centimeter. Okay, so you will write 5 square. Don't write unit here. 5 square minus base. What is the base? 4 centimeter. 4 square. So perpendicular square equal to 5 square means 25 and square of 4. 4 was a 16. So 25 minus 16 is 9. Can you write 9 in square form? Yes, 3 is a 9. So 3 power 2. Square to square is reduced. Now P is equal to 3. So what is the perpendicular? 3 centimeter. Same way, I am using the same digit. Okay, you can write anything, X, Y, Z. Suppose now I am using, this is a 4 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. Now what you have to find? You have to find base. Same way you will use the formula of base. Base square equal to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. What is the hypotenuse? 5. What is the perpendicular? 4. So base square, again 5 5 is 25 minus 4 4 is 16. So base square is equal to 9. Okay, it's like same. Second question. Now base square is equal to 3 square. So base is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay. Just I have explained how you will use this formula for finding solution. Okay.